I like to think of myself as very intelligent and a good engineer and smart, but I'm not the quickest engineer out there. I do tend to analyze things a little bit more in detail, and by analyze I mean think about, not run every calculation you can think of. Try to think of everything that could possibly go into affecting whatever it is that I'm doing, to pick the best solution. It's not the approach everybody uses. We have some engineers in our office that, they'll look at something and go, okay, let's just do this. I rarely ever do that. Once in a while, sure. If it truly is a no-brainer, it's it needs to be this. Nothing else will really work. But and even those no-brainers, sometimes it's like, okay, this is the path I want to go, and you start going down it, and then, as you're going, there's so many steps that you have to hit along the way, and it's, soon the day's gone, and it's like, wow, I thought that was going to take me about 2 hours.
What are the strengths and weaknesses of your approach? Is it good, bad? Like, how do you?
Well, a weakness to that approach is it takes longer. So, from a company business standpoint, it costs more. But I think a strength to the approach is I think the result is better. It allows you to really thoroughly think about everything that goes into it and make sure you don't miss anything. A lot of times the people that are just like, okay, let's just do this, and they run with it and they get an answer, and then a few days later, we'll always review projects in the office for other engineers, and someone like me will come along and look at it and go, why'd you do that? We should have this, or X, Y, Z, and then we end up changing something. In the long run, they're probably still more efficient than I am, even though we went through a few extra steps just because they were quicker up front. But I don't know. I'm just a firm believer that slow and steady, getting to the end quicker is not necessarily the best thing in all cases. I think it's much more important that you consider. We're in a fairly high risk field. If things that we do fail, there are consequences, and they might not be pretty consequences. So, I like to dot my I's and cross my T's, and make sure things go right.